360-degree air intake, and powerful vortex air technology, the LEVOIT Core 300 True HEPA Air Purifier has everything you need for top-tier air purification. If you're struggling with specific contaminants, order special replacement filters to match your exact needs. Tap the user-friendly display to cycle through different fan speeds, or set a timer so it runs on your schedule. Bring fresh air inside today with the LEVOIT Core 300.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Nest Yale Lock.
Secure key storage solution for your home, business, or rental property. Allow real estate professionals, family members, contractors, and customers to access keys when you are not available. The portable and mountable styles allow you to use the lock boxes on doors or permanent fixtures. The dial cover protects from weather, dirt, and grime, and the coating on the body and shackle prevents scratching. The 4-digit combination can be easily reset to a combination of your choice. The Master Lock Set Your Own Combination Lock Boxes store up to 5 keys for a variety of uses and applications. Master Lock, for everything.